what does it mean to you to be an ultimate human?
Yeah, it's exciting. I don't know if I've ever been happier. Like you said, I jump up every day ready to kick today's ass, and I love what I do. I love doing it, and it's unexplainable. If you want me to ask you what it feels like to be superhuman, I can't put it into words. It's such a feeling that becomes so good and so addicting that it just makes everything in your life better.
Yeah,
you know,
and it also makes turning down the things that are going to change the direction of that easy.
Well,
and that's one of the things I want people to know.
That's a good point. Yes,
because it's
that's
like,
a great point.
I got to give up alcohol. I got to give up sweets.
Wait a minute. I got to give up pasta? Oh, my God. I got to give up bread. I got to give up ice cream. I got to give up... Nobody. I don't care who you are. Nobody liked pasta, ice cream, and sweets more than me, man. I'm telling you right now. I literally would order every dessert that they had at the restaurant. I didn't eat them all. I'd taste them all. Maybe I'd eat one or two. But all that stuff. There's this quote by Kate Moss where she says, "Nothing tastes better than being skinny." Okay? I modified her quote. Nothing tastes better than feeling amazing. And it was so easy once I got into this to give all that stuff up that I would never go back. Like when I look, like my chef still cooks food at the house for the rest of the family.
Right.
I'm eating different than most of my family, my kids and stuff like that. I'll go in and I'll look at stuff that I loved and I look at it and I go, damn, that looks good. But I know what it's going to do to me.
Amen.
And I know how that's going to make me feel. And it doesn't taste that good that I would want to feel that way again.
Wow, that's really powerful. Hope that it inspires people to make a change, to go to their doctor, to get their numbers, to start to get some data on their body, because without data, you can't make a change. If you're out there and you're just supplementing for the sake of supplementing and you get information, you get a genetic test done, you get blood work done, and by no means do you have to do that through me. There are plenty of good physicians out there. You find out what metabolic syndrome is and you start making a change, you're going to be in the same boat as Dana White, because he had all the access in the world and he hadn't made the change, and now he's got the data and you heard it for yourself.
I had the best doctors that you could get from the best hospitals that you could go to, and none of them could answer my questions. None of them could stop snoring. None of them could get my blood pressure under control. None of them could get my cholesterol, good and bad, leveled out. It's all good now. You don't have to go through him. Not telling you to do anything. Do whatever the hell you want. This guy, if he told me to squirt hot sauce in my eyes, I'd do it. Everything this guy has told me to do has completely changed my life, and I couldn't feel better.